How to download and install Spotify application in your Mac. If you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, the steps are going to be same. Now, if you're thinking that downloading Spotify is easy because you can go on App Store and search for Spotify application, then you're wrong, because on App Store, Spotify is not available. So you cannot download it from App Store. But still, if you want to download it, then how can you do that? So in that case, you can go on any particular browser. You can go on Google, and over there you can search for Spotify. Now you can go on Spotify website, and once you are on the home page, you can go down and you can select support option over here. Now once you select support on this particular page, you will get an option of install app. So select this option, and finally we are on the download page. But there is one more thing you can do. Instead of searching Spotify, you can directly search for Spotify for Mac. So this will give you a direct link for Mac download. So select Mac download, and now we are on the download page. Over here, you can simply select this download option, and if it asks for any permission, you can allow it, and after that, downloading will be started. Now, once the download is complete, either you can open the file from here, or else you can go, in Finder in your dock, and then you can select downloads option. So when you see the file over here, you can just simply double tap on the installation file, and over here it will ask some permission like install Spotify is an app downloaded from internet. So are you sure you want to open it? So you can simply open. Now you can see the installation is in process. Till then, if I show you my launchpad over here, you can see Spotify is not installed yet. So once the installation is complete, it will automatically open Spotify application, and then you can simply complete the login process. If you are using that application for the first time, then you can sign up for free and start using the application. So yeah, if you don't find Spotify application on App Store, which is actually not available, then you can just go on Safari and you can download Spotify from internet and you can install it. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.